Who says you need expensive toys to make a child happy? What are you talking about, Mr. Keegan? What are you saying? Keegan! Make him sit down, honey, and then give him a ride. Sit down, Mr. Keegan. He's going to give you a ride. Are you having a problem there, Mr. Jaden?
What?
Are you having a problem getting him to sit?
Yeah.
Sit down. Sit down. You don't want to fall out. Okay. Here you go. Jack in the Box.
Sit back down.
Here he comes. You like that? I think you got me backed up in a corner, Jaden. I can't go any farther in the hallway. Pull him back towards the living room. I'm coming get you, Mr. Keegan.
Cheese.
I'm going to get you. Say cheese.
Cheese.
Hey, cutie pie.
Cutie pie.
Mr. Keegan, talk.